Okay, so for this one, makita natin yung example natin dito ay magkaiba naman na sila. Quantity of negative 2x plus 5 times the quantity of 3x minus 8. So dito medyo ano tayo ngayon, medyo maghihinay-hinay tayo when it comes to faster method. Okay, so much better if we're going to use the FOIL method. Okay, so let's start first with the FOIL method. Same concept pa rin tayo. We're going to multiply the ends. Negative 2x times positive 3x. So that's a negative. Yan, medyo liitan na natin. Negative 2 times 3, that is 6. And then we have x times x, x squared. Next natin yung ends. 5, positive 5 times negative 8. So, lalagyan ko ng spacing dito. We have negative 40. Next naman natin is to get the middle parts. So, lagyan na natin to. And lagyan na natin to. Okay? Unahin na muna natin yung nasa baba. Negative 2x times negative 8. So, that would be a positive. Okay? Plus positive 2 times 8, that is 16. And then we have the x. Close na natin. Notice na lagi nila akong plus para later on, hindi na ako malilito when it comes to adding different sign na terms. Kung yan ay double negative or maybe positive negative and so on. Next natin, we have 5 times 3x. So that's a positive also. So we have 15x. Ayan. So let's compute. Pagsamahin natin to. Pares silang x. Pares silang positive. So 16 plus 15, that is a 31x. Okay? So copy muna natin itong dalawa. Yan. Tapos leave some space. 31 yung nakuha natin dito ha. 31x, not x squared. Because you're adding two terms. And then minus 40. And that is your final answer. Nested method, ganun din naman yung technique natin. So we have, sa taas muna, negative 2x. And then we have positive 5. Next is 3x, na positive. We have negative 8. 3x times negative 2x, so that is negative 6x squared. 3x times 5, so we have 15x na positive. Okay. Negative 8 times negative 2x, so that's a positive 16x. And then we have negative 8 times 5, we have negative 40. So listing it down, we have negative 6x squared. We have, lagyan natin dito, 15x. Another one. We have 16. And then, add pa rin tayo. So, we have negative 40. Okay? So, linisin na natin. Bago natin linisin, add muna natin itong dalawa. So, we can get 15 plus 16, we have 31x. Negative 6x squared. Dahil positive naman yan. Plus 31x. And this is a plus, minus, katulad nung kanina, sa technique natin. So, we're going to make it a subtraction. And then, this becomes a positive number. Okay. So, this is your final answer. The same with this one. Yan. So, let's go ahead for a much more complex one. And as you can see, we have a squared b And then we have 4b squared times the quantity of negative 2a squared b plus b squared. So medyo complicated dahil we do have two different unknowns or the variables, a and b. And also magkaiba din sila. Okay? So, let's try to solve it using the FOIL method. Ayan. Ends muna natin. So, in this case, be careful when it comes to writing the exponents. Kapag yan ay multiply, you have to add those exponents. Kapag yan ay magpa-plus ka lang or minus, then leave it as is. First one, sa taas muna tayo. A squared b times 2a squared b. So, yung mga ano muna, numbered muna. 1 times negative 2, we have negative 2. And then a squared times a squared, we have a raised to 4. B times b is equal to b squared. Ayan. Next natin yung dulo din sa kabila. Okay. Check natin. Mukhang kasya naman. Pagkakasyahin yan. 4 times 1, we have positive 4. And b squared times b squared is equal to b raised to 4. Next, we're going to use this one to mark all of the remaining terms. Unahin muna natin yung sa ilalim. A squared b times negative 2a squared b. Maglalagay muna ako ng plus dito. And let's hope na kasya. Ang bang ano natin? Mali pa lang ano natin pwesto. Okay, dito pala siya sa b squared. Okay, my bad. Nakuha na pala yung negative 2a. A squared b times b squared. So we have 1 times 1, that's 1. A squared. Wala nang ibang a squared. Then we have b squared times b. We have b raised to 3. And then let's have another plus. This time, yung taas naman. 4b squared times negative 2a squared b. So that's a negative. Negative 2 times 4 is equal to negative 8. And then we have yung a squared munang susulat natin based on alphabet. And then we have b squared times b, that is b raised to 3. Then close na natin. Okay. Check natin, a squared parehas. B raised to 3, b raised to 3 parehas din. So since they are both the same in terms of power and in terms of letters, pwede natin silang i-add parehas. Okay. So let's copy first the variable and the exponent. So we have positive 1 kasi invisible 1 dito. Positive 1 plus negative 8, so that will become a negative 7. Okay. So let's rewrite it. Negative 2a raised to 4, b raised to 2. And then dediretso na natin to dito. 7a squared b raised to 3. And then this one, papunta dito. So we have plus 4b raised to 4. Okay. So try nyo naman kapag ka nested method. And let's see if we have the same answer as this one.